welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going on a little mini adventure to a sunflower field in Kansas. It's about an hour drive from my house, so I'm gonna leave now. It's almost 6 o'clock. I want to be there for like golden hour and sunset. I'm pretty sure I can maybe fly my drone. The farm would not answer my messages about it, so I'll just have to ask them there. But I'm excited. It's free, but they take donations. I don't really have any cash though, but I have 75 cents in quarters. But I think they have a store, so maybe I'll buy something at the store. So here we go. Oh, and I'm using my GPS for the first time, so hopefully it gets me there. I guess I should turn that on. Okay, well, see you there, I guess. Okay, I made it. It's a little after 7. I should have left earlier because it's a little darker than I would like. I don't know if I'm allowed to fly the drone. There's like nothing here. It's just a field of flowers. But it looks really pretty. There's like a ton of dragonflies. Okay. Okay, I just saw a drone fly over, so maybe they're allowed. Maybe this is a situation where you rather ask for forgiveness rather than permission. I don't know, but I really want to fly. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Hope that I don't get arrested or anything. Okay, I flew my drone. It's always nerve-wracking to fly when there's like a bunch of people around watching you. Especially when you know that they could just come and steal the drone when it lands. I don't know. Like, what am I gonna do if somebody comes up and is like, give me that drone? Fly it away? Anyway, now I'm just gonna take some photos with my regular camera, but it's getting kind of dark. So we'll see if they come out. Alrighty, I am really bummed that I didn't come a little bit sooner. Maybe like even half an hour earlier probably would have been better, because I mean, especially since the sun was kind of behind some clouds, it wasn't super bright light. I think I got some good ones maybe with the drone, but not any with my regular camera. It was just way too dark. I'm probably not going to come back again this year, because I think right now they're supposed to be at their peak, because it's like yesterday was Labor Day, and I think that was Labor Day weekend was when they're supposed to be like at their peak, and I don't know if I'm going to have time, especially since it's an hour drive. But I think it was kind of worth it if you do come. Oh, I don't know if I ever said the name of the place. It's called Grinter Farms. And like I said, it's free. They have little donation boxes out there if you pick a flower. I guess the flowers are like $1 each if you pick them. But otherwise, it's just free to come take photos, and there's a lot of people taking like professional portraits out there, it seems, and just a lot of like kids and stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's in Lawrence, Kansas, or like outside of Lawrence, Kansas. Come earlier than I came. I got here at like 7, so I would say probably try to be here at like 6 or 6:30. Okay, I guess I'll show some of the photos I took. if any of them turned out good. All right, see you later.